Today has just been one of those days where you put on your makeup and you know, you did your foundation, you're doing your concealer, and then that one product ruins your whole face makeup and you have to start over and you just don't feel as good by the time that you redo your makeup because you just wasted all your skincare and you're not about to do that all over again. Does that happen to anybody? Because that definitely happened today and I'm so annoyed. But anyways, so welcome back to my channel. I'm finally doing the first update in my rolling project polish for the year. This is where I try to use up my nail polishes, and because we often forget about our nail polishes, then we often tend to buy more, and that's a bad habit we should all break as well. So that is the purpose of this project. I believe it's been like 2 months since I updated it, and I think it's just because, I don't know, I tend to do my nail polish every like 4 days. And that's just my nails alone. My toes, I like leave them alone for like a week and a half and then I redo them. So I feel like the longer time that goes in between project polish videos, I get to have some progress in all of my nail polish bottles, which I do, and I'm about to show you. So first things first is the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Mauve Over. So I'll put that right here so you can take a look. It's not my favorite type of mauve shade. As you can see, this is where the intro was and this is where I am now. It's decent progress for the amount of time I've gone in between, and this is a very opaque nail polish, so I don't need to do that many layers of it. So I'm happy with the progress. It is a nail polish bottle that has less than the standard amount of nail polish, and because it's not my favorite, it's precisely why I am working on it specifically. But yeah, good progress on that one. This is one of the backward progress ones because the bottle gets wider as we go down, so progress is going to get slower and slower. This is the Revlon nail polish in Optimistic. I do have some progress, but like I said, it's going to be more progress in the beginning, slower progress as I work down the bottle. Again, because it gets wider. So this is where I was in the beginning. Oh, it's focusing on my face. Hello. Beating, 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 beating. Ding. There, got it. So beginning, that's where I am now. I'm sad that this is going to be slower as you go, but it is a fun polish for the spring, for the summer, because it's bright, it's out there, it's gonna look good. It's a bright shade of pink, which is one of my favorite things to do, especially when I'm pale, when I'm tan, but I feel like this is like a fun color for the spring and the summer. Although the nail polish I'm wearing right now is more fall and winter and is not in my project polish. You know, sometimes you just need a break from the polishes that you're focusing on to use something else. Gotta give the other stuff some love. This is my Essie nail polish in, what is the color of this? Romper Room. I know I had to put it really high because I didn't want to move the progress. I don't know why I did this one with the purple Sharpie, but as you can see, that was the beginning. That was where I am now. I did mix this one and the Sally Hansen Mauve It Over to create a little more of a lighter mauve, I suppose. I liked the color, but the mixing wasn't the best, so like you could kind of see where the two colors were trying to blend, but they weren't quite blending when I wore that. But I do like that combination more. I just have to get better about how to mix this. And it did cause like for me to use up a little bit more of both of the nail polishes. This is a great color. I actually really love it. It's just professional. It's posh and polished. I don't even know if those are actual words, but it just looks nice for anything really. In the summer, it'll be great on the toes. It'll make you look tanner on your, it just makes you look like classy up on your fingernails. So it's definitely a great polish all around, and I'm excited to be using that. I also have the Essie Botla Please. I'm sorry if you're British and you were very offended by that accent. I know it was horrible and I'm very sorry, but I just like doing it in a British accent whenever I read the name of this. Like, Botla Please. Butler. I suck at accents. My boyfriend hates it when I try to do a British accent because he's like, you're not good at it. Like, you're one of the worst people ever. And I'm like, okay. So I have a little more progress on this one. I don't know why specifically, but this is where the intro was, and this is where I am now. I think, did I also do this in purple? That's so strange. Steady progress in this. I feel like it's blue that I enjoy using year round. It is a little more on the darker side, but it's not too dark where it's like, oh my god, that's super dark. Which I had one in my last year's project polish, which it was just really hard for me to use because it was a little too dark for my liking. But this one I'm having a blast using. It does kind of stain my fingers blue. Not quite my nails. This other one stains my nails, but you know, taking it off, you will have blue fingers unless like you scrub in the shower to get the dead skin cells that have the blue on them. But I really like it regardless. And last but not least, I have my Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy in Full House. Aunt Becky with her scandal. I just think it's funny that this nail polish is called Full House and the FBI case was Operation Varsity Blues. And this is a blue shade. Like, what? Revlon? Illuminati? Psychic. So, I actually use this shade quite a bit, but there's like no visible progress. Like, it is still like up to the brim. I don't think it's gonna move down the bottle until the next progress, but this nail polish does stain like your nails. It stains them like a weird yellow blue, and like that shit does not come off, and excuse my language, but it doesn't. I think my nails are still slightly stained from when I use this, so I'm trying to like use like a white base underneath all my nail polishes, and whenever I decide to use this, just put like a thick like base shade so it doesn't stain them, and that seems to be working a little bit better, but they're still kind of stained from the time that I didn't do it. But yeah, no visible progress on this just because it is really full to the brim, and it is a thicker nail polish because it's like a gel type of nail polish, but I really like the color. It's just gonna take a while to use that. But those are my 5 nail polishes that I'm currently working on. Let me know if you're doing a nail polish project plan. I don't know why, it's just so satisfying to me just to see more progress on them from other people. I don't know why, because I think other people that tend to do this tend to be like real nail junkies, and I'm not. I'm not. When I do like my nail polish, I like paint my whole finger and then I go into the shower and like try to take the sides off to make it look good. I'm not the best when it comes to doing my nails, and I've been doing my nails like for years and years and years, and I'm just not the best, and that's okay. And I'm not trying to be the best, but it's definitely cheaper to do it myself than to go get it professionally done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye. Oh, I also wanted to say before I say bye is that I do have a dedicated email to this channel. It's morereneeluchia@gmail.com. I always have it included now in my description boxes, and that's just in case if like for whatever reason you wanted to email about something. I'm not like, companies come email me to that one. I mean, they could if they wanted to, but I don't think like I'm in their radar at all, but that's okay. But that's just more if like you ever want to talk to me, or if you want to say something and like that you don't want to put in the comments, that's like a good place that you can email me at. And I try to get to people within 2 days, and I'm pretty good about it. I feel like I have a lot of time, but yeah, just wanted to let you know that I do have that now. And I'm also listing my POSHMARK more often down there because girl got to get rid of things. So yeah, that's my little shamble. I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye!